This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Acura RDX. To begin, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and legally. Remote starting offers great convenience, allowing you to warm up or cool down your car before entering. We will cover both the key fob method and the Acura Link app, providing you with complete control over your vehicle's environment and comfort. Using your key fob for remote start is straightforward. First, make sure your Acura RDX is locked. Then, press the lock button once. Immediately after, press and hold the remote engine start button for about 5 seconds. The parking lights will flash, confirming the engine has started. Your vehicle will run for 10 minutes, providing ample time to prepare for your journey. For even greater convenience, the Acura Link app allows you to remote start your RDX from virtually anywhere. Simply open the app on your smartphone and navigate to the remote start function. Tap the button to initiate the process. The app will then send you a confirmation message, letting you know your engine has successfully started. This feature is perfect for those busy mornings. Remember a few key points for successful remote starting. Your Acura RDX must be locked, and all doors, the hood, and the trunk must be completely closed. For safety, the engine will automatically shut off after 10 minutes, but you can extend this once for another 10 minutes using the same method. Always be aware of your surroundings when using this feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.